Hi guys, you can see my WhatsApp group 191. You can also make it is only one application. You can make more than groups. You can make 5 10 groups. See my WhatsApp group. This is my new WhatsApp group. You can see it is only 4 members. Then go on Play Store and search group of WhatsApp. And see the third join unlimited lasted activities. Download that application. It is very good application. You can make how much you want. You can make. So download it fast. Download this. It is going. Wait 2 minutes. Application is open. Open the application and it is coming main page. And go on up there is 3 button and click that button and add group link. Click the add group link. And put your go on WhatsApp group and take your WhatsApp group link, copy the link and go again application and put your group name and put link and put what is our group and entertainment where cricket and click the code. It is up only and type the code and submit it. And your group is public and you can join some members of in the public and go to WhatsApp. Wait for one hour. 1 hour. I am waiting for 1 hour. And see the 1 hour happened and see my group members 191. Wow, super. And bye. Thank you for seeing my video and subscribe my channel please and like me.